December 26, 2022. This is almost done. I'm just going to do the words in the top 3 lines there, just black outline. Keep it light, following a art composition theory, which I first learned when I was a sophomore at Southern Illinois University, Carbondale. Keep the weight heavy on the bottom, lighter at top. Otherwise, it's kind of upside down visually for viewers. So I made a few changes here. I added, we got a truck. This looks like a truck also. A Greyhound bus, 2 cars there, 3 cars there. I think these were drawn by my 2 oldest nephews, like around 1990 or 91. Because they're in an old sketchbook with sketches they had drawn of each other and of me and my folks who were in the age I'm at now, like early 70s then. Dad was hearing impaired, had a shrilly hearing aid. I added these 2 liner cut pieces from a liner cut print about Primo Levi, the late Italian Jewish Turin Auschwitz slave labor survivor. His eyeglasses. And I changed the bottom left entirely. I put in pieces cut up from a lino cut I did in London in 2017 called the Sailing Ship St. Louis, the Sea Demons and the Sailing Ship St. Louis, 1939. And people can view the lino cut as it originally was, or as it normally was, rectangular, in the other Holocaust gallery on our website and YouTube posted videos. I also redid the neck, chin, cheek, nose, cheeks, and forehead of the Romani or Sinti female Auschwitz death camp prisoner. There. And so this was over here, this got moved, this liner cut, which might be the sole proof. I don't remember if I printed any more of it, from printed October 8, 1973. It's actually made September 73, but I printed it October 8, 1970, called The Mission, after an artwork by the late American artist Raphael Sawyer. All right, there you have it.